Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the wooden crafts project ideas creativity in our everyday lives by showing more than 80 different wooden crafts project ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The versatility of wood as a material means that the possibilities for crafting are virtually limitless. From simple projects like coasters and picture frames to more complex endeavors such as furniture or home decor items, the scope of creativity is broad and inviting. A simple wooden box, for example, can serve multiple functions: a storage solution, a decorative piece, or even a personalized gift. By exploring different styles, finishes, and techniques, artisans can transform a basic concept into a unique expression of their creativity. This adaptability is not just beneficial for the crafters, it also allows consumers to find items that resonate with their personal aesthetics and needs. As individuals incorporate handmade wooden crafts into their everyday lives, they create environments that reflect their identities, fostering a sense of belonging and connection to their spaces. Moreover, the act of creating wooden crafts can serve as a powerful form of self-expression. As individuals engage with the material, they often find themselves immersed in a meditative state that encourages creativity to flow freely. The tactile nature of wood invites exploration and experimentation, allowing crafters to push boundaries and break away from traditional design constraints. For instance, when designing a wooden shelf, an artisan might choose to play with asymmetrical shapes or incorporate mixed media elements like metal or fabric, resulting in a piece that is both functional and artistic. This kind of creative exploration not only brings joy to the maker but also contributes to a sense of fulfillment that comes from bringing a unique vision to life. In everyday life, the presence of handmade wooden crafts can transform mundane routines into moments of beauty and inspiration. Imagine sipping morning coffee from a handcrafted wooden mug or writing notes on a beautifully crafted wooden notepad holder. These small touches can elevate daily rituals, turning them into opportunities to appreciate the artistry and skill involved in each piece. The warmth of wood adds a tactile and visual element that plastic or metal items often lack, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages mindfulness and presence in the moment. When we surround ourselves with beautifully designed wooden crafts, we invite creativity into our daily lives, reminding us to pause, reflect, and appreciate the artistry that enriches our surroundings. The process of creating wooden crafts can also serve as a unique bonding experience for families and friends. Collaborative projects, whether building a birdhouse or crafting personalized gifts, foster teamwork and communication. Working together on a tangible project creates shared memories and strengthens relationships, making the crafting experience even more meaningful. Children, in particular, can benefit from engaging with wood as a medium. It allows them to explore their creativity, develop fine motor skills, and gain a sense of accomplishment as they see their ideas taking shape. This hands-on experience fosters a deeper understanding of craftsmanship and design, nurturing a new generation of makers who appreciate the beauty of handmade items. Furthermore, the creative potential of wooden crafts extends beyond individual projects to community engagement. Workshops and classes centered around woodworking can bring people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared learning. Participants can exchange ideas, techniques, and inspirations, cultivating a collaborative environment that sparks creativity. Community art projects that involve creating wooden installations or sculptures can beautify public spaces, transforming them into vibrant expressions of collective creativity. These collaborative endeavors not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a community but also create a sense of pride and ownership among its members. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In today's fast-paced world, where digital distractions often take precedence, the tactile experience of working with wood offers a refreshing escape. Engaging in crafting allows individuals to disconnect from screens and immerse themselves in a physical, creative process. This shift in focus can lead to increased mental well-being, as creativity has been shown to reduce stress and promote mindfulness. The act of shaping wood, whether through cutting, sanding, or finishing, becomes a form of meditation that encourages individuals to be present in the moment. This mindfulness not only enhances the creative process, but also contributes to a greater appreciation for the craftsmanship involved in creating beautiful, functional items. The relationship between creativity and functionality is particularly evident in the realm of wooden crafts. Artisans often find innovative ways to combine aesthetic appeal with practical applications, resulting in items that serve multiple purposes. A beautifully designed wooden serving tray, for instance, can be used for entertaining guests while also acting as a decorative element on a coffee table. This duality of purpose encourages individuals to consider how they interact with the objects in their lives, prompting them to seek out items that are not only visually appealing but also functional and meaningful. As we embrace the idea that creativity can manifest in our everyday objects, we begin to cultivate an environment that nurtures inspiration and encourages us to engage with our surroundings in new and exciting ways. The impact of wooden crafts on creativity can also extend to the realm of gifting. Handmade wooden items carry a unique significance, as they often embody thoughtfulness and personal connection. Gifting a handcrafted wooden item, whether it's a beautifully turned wooden bowl or a personalized photo frame, conveys a sense of care and intention that mass-produced items simply cannot match. This emphasis on meaningful gifting encourages individuals to think creatively about how they express their affection for others, often leading to more personalized and heartfelt presents. The act of giving becomes an opportunity to share creativity, stories, and connections, reinforcing the idea that handmade items have the power to create lasting memories. In addition to the personal and communal benefits of crafting, the sustainability aspect of working with wood also invites creativity into our lives. Many artisans prioritize using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, which not only minimizes environmental impact, but also encourages innovative design solutions. The challenge of working with reclaimed materials can inspire creativity, as artisans must find ways to incorporate imperfections and unique characteristics into their designs. This sustainable approach to crafting not only leads to beautiful and functional pieces, but also fosters a deeper connection to the environment and a greater appreciation for the resources we use. As we become more conscious of our choices, the creativity involved in crafting with sustainable materials encourages us to think critically about our consumption patterns and the impact we have on the world around us. The world of wooden crafts serves as a rich tapestry for creativity in our everyday lives, inviting individuals to explore their artistic potential while enhancing their environments with beautiful, functional items. The versatility of wood allows for a wide range of projects, from simple to complex, catering to various skill levels and interests. Engaging in the crafting process fosters mindfulness, self-expression, and connection, whether through solo endeavors, family bonding, or community collaborations. The presence of handmade wooden crafts transforms everyday routines into moments of beauty and inspiration, reminding us to appreciate the artistry that surrounds us. As we embrace creativity in our lives, we cultivate environments that reflect our values, experiences, and personal aesthetic, ultimately enriching our journeys through the art of making and the joy of craftsmanship. The stories told through each crafted piece connect us to our past, our communities, and our environment, celebrating the timeless beauty and enduring appeal of wooden crafts in a world that often seeks meaning and connection. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for small wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.